This is a quick change tube mill provided by Tengdi for a customer in Central and South America. One of the biggest advantages of this line is its quick roll change system. Rolls can be changed in around 10 minutes, with production resumed within 30 minutes, significantly reducing downtime. The machine is easy to operate, helping reduce manual workload and improve production efficiency. It also features convenient maintenance, stable forming and reliable tube quality. For long-term production, before delivery, Tengdi engineers carry out complete installation and commissioning at our factory. From machine assembly and component inspection, to parameter adjustment and full line testing, every step is carefully completed. We aim to identify and solve potential issues before the machine leaves our factory, so it can be installed faster and put into production more smoothly at the customer site. For Tengdi, delivery is not just about shipping a machine, it is about delivering a fully tested and properly commissioned production solution.
Please like and subscribe.